welcome back to my channel. And I know I haven't been active, but I'm back. So like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. And today's topic is how to get more sales. Okay, so I have a few tips for you new business owners or any business owners really. So how to get more sales. Basically, one of the things that I've recently started doing is email marketing. So if you have Shopify, you can go to the Shopify App Store, just search up email marketing, and they have a lot of different apps. I downloaded an app, and normally it's free, but sometimes they charge you a monthly. You just have to look more into it. But email marketing is really great. So my email marketing, whenever someone leaves something in their cart, they email them and say, "Oh, you're missing this. Do you still want to buy?" ? And it shows them like the products that they left in their cart. And it's basically like, you know how when we subscribe to like a newsletter, sometimes they send us deals, or they send us, "Oh, you're missing something in your cart. Are you gonna buy?" So that's one of the tricks. And sometimes when I get those emails, I'm like, "Ooh, they're having like a 15% off sale. I think I'm gonna buy." So that's what email marketing is, and it's really good. And it's really good to, and it really helps getting people to sign up to your newsletter, and it can help to bring potential customers. So with my email marketing, it offers like a spin wheel, like a fortune wheel on my website. And on the fortune wheel, there's different deals. You can get 10% off, 15% off, or 20% off. Or, of course, there's the, "Oh, no luck, maybe next time," different things. So, of course, first people have to put in their email, by which means they're signing up to your newsletter. So they sign up to your newsletter, and if they win something, they get the discount code. But also they're signed up to your newsletter, so they're gonna get any other emails, any other deals, etc. So that's really good to have, and it can help. So far I've had like a lot of people sign up, but of course you have to be patient, and eventually you will see results. But definitely look into email marketing. And then there is the simple basic one that we all should know, is promoting on all of your social media. Promote your business like no tomorrow, even if it's on your personal page. Like, promote on your business page on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. You can promote such as just posting a simple, really cute picture or video of your product. You don't have to pay for like an Instagram promo, but you can do that. You can pay for a Instagram promo on Instagram, or from another person that does promos on their story, or on their page. You can do that. But you can also simply promote your business for free. You don't always have to pay for an Instagram promo. But if you do, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, go for it, try it out. It may work really well for you. But yeah, you have to stay consistent, especially with just posting your products. Stay consistent, be active, because if you're not consistent, then your business is gonna slowly go down, or go down real quick. Because once you're consistent for a long time, and then all of a sudden you go MIA for 3 weeks or a month or even 1 week, it can really bring your engagement down on your social media, by which is not good. Once again, and I know it's hard at times to stay consistent, because of course we have a life, but just simply doing a poll on your Instagram story or on your Facebook story or something, it can still help with your engagement. So even if you're so busy, if you just have 1 minute, post something real quick that is business related, or something on your story, or post something quick. So yeah, consistency is key, and patience is key. Don't try to rush things, because everyone's growth is different. Another way is to join Facebook groups. So I would say about maybe like 2 weeks ago, or actually a week ago, I joined Facebook groups. Girl, y'all, people on Facebook do not play. I joined maybe like 5 different groups for lip gloss and other business related groups, and people do not play. People are always looking for a vendor to sell them wand tubes, or for like a wholesale vendor because they don't want to make their own gloss. I mean, people on Facebook do not play, and I've gotten a lot of sales from Facebook. My second, like, I used to get a lot of sales from Instagram, YouTube, and then Facebook. No, Facebook is on my second on the list. Instagram is at the top, of course, but like Facebook, you gotta try it out, okay? And of course, you have to be consistent too. So join Facebook groups. People will message you, but also try not to do, like, if you have a website, try not to do like Cash App or anything, just to prevent like mistakes. Just of course always, you know, give them the link to your website so they can purchase through your website. But there are some scammers. There's always going to be some scammers that are going to try to scam you, so you just be really careful with that. And then start a YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel, because you never know if your video will blow up. Because I posted a simple DIY how to make clear lip gloss step by step. I didn't think it was gonna blow up. A month later, it blew up, and now I have 1.2 million views on it. And so you just never know if a video is going to blow up or not. And of course, you have to stay consistent also. Because then if you're consistent and you reach the requirements for YouTube, you can eventually start making money. And so that's extra income coming in, and it can help your business a lot and just help you personally a lot. So start a YouTube channel. Like, you don't even need to show your face. Like, I know a lot of YouTube channels where they don't show their face, they just show what they're doing, and people just watch anything really. Okay, so another tip is join a local vendor event. So a vendor event, I've done only 2, but it can help a lot. Of course, you'll have to pay for your spot, but find a good deal. Like, for all my vendor events, I think the highest I've paid was only $60 for a spot, and for the $60 for that time, I got like $140 in sales in person. So that helped a lot. It was my first experience, and it was a really good experience. So it doesn't hurt to try that out. Like, you know, like, get out there. Get out there. It's your business. You want your business to succeed. Don't hide in the shadows. Get out there. Like, that's how you're gonna grow your business. So just search up local vendor events. You can easily go on Facebook, search up like Texas vendor events, and different things will pop up in different cities. And just do your research on it. Simply search it up on Google. Things will pop up. Like, search up your city and state vendor events, and things will pop up. But that's pretty much all the advice I can give right now that I have on top of my head. I'll probably remember something else, but yeah. So, but I really do recommend doing all these things, especially the Facebook group, and literally all of them. Okay, but I'm not gonna lie, joining all these Facebook groups really helps my business a lot. But also just really sit down and try to think, okay, what am I doing wrong? Is it my packaging? Is it just like, am I not being too active? Like, you might say, oh, I don't understand why I'm getting no sales. Like, I'm not doing anything wrong. But you probably aren't being consistent. There's probably just little flaws that you can easily fix. But yeah, and also on your social media, like, try to have a theme. I know there's some people who don't have a theme and their business is doing great. Awesome, great. But that doesn't work for everyone. If you're not gonna have a theme, of course, just make sure your videos and pictures are cute. Like, you don't want blurry or dirty looking pictures or videos, because that's not cute. And me personally, I'm like, ugh, what is this? So you just want things to look nice, clean, and yeah. Just some advice on that, alright? And also just have a good personality, especially if you want to get more active with your followers. Go on live, be supportive. Like, come on, everyone likes a supportive business owner. because you are, like, the way you represent your business, like, that's everything. Also, have a sale. Have a sale, but don't have a sale all the time. Please don't, because if you have a sale all the time, then you won't have real customers. You're only gonna have customers who are just waiting for you to have a sale. No, you want to have customers that will buy when you're not having a sale. You want to have consistent. That's why I don't have sales all the time. Because once again, if you have sales all the time, you're only going to get customers who are going to buy when you have a sale. So, like, come on. You want to have loyal customers that will buy whatever, whether you're having a sale or not. Like, I have customers that are still here when I first started my business last year. Now, I remember when I first started my business, my glosses were only $3. But yeah, so that's all the advice that I have, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really tried. I always get distracted or I get brain farts, so I'm trying, you know. But thank you all for tuning in. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and stay glowing.